Benefit number 4 is for the heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being. Broccoli sprout microgreens, they contain compounds that support healthy heart. Sulforaphane may help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent the oxidation of LDL bad cholesterol, which is a major contribution to heart disease. The high fiber content of microgreens also helps to lower blood pressure and promote healthy cardiovascular function. Benefit number 5 is for detoxification and liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in the detoxification process, breaking down toxins, metabolizing drugs as well. The compounds found in broccoli sprout microgreens, what they do is they support liver health. They enhance the detoxification pathways, and studies suggest that the compounds do activate liver enzymes that assist in the elimination of harmful substances and promote overall detoxification and liver health as well.